Then another possible modification that is quite useful and quite typical for the customers is to change the graphics of an object. And this is done in the following way. I will show you with an example, in this case with the home button of the MB faceplate. So to know first of all which is the bitmap used in this graphic, you have to double click the object and go to graphics. And in here you can see the one used, the name. So this is home.bj, so it is a bitmap. And this graphic is created in MB Designer with 2 states. So you can find it in the right side of MB Designer in the project file window, in the graphics section where you have all the graphics created. And this one is the home. So to modify it, you have to double click and you will see that the image used in each of the states. So you here click in each of the states and you can remove the image and paste the new one.